everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy from Kimmy Adds Sparkle and I am an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I thought I would share with you the Stitch Together scrapbooking workshop kit. Okay, so I've got that here. Alright, so let's get started. I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so first we have the instructions. So there's 3 projects. This is project 3, project 2, project 1 and project 2. Okay, and this also tells you your additional things that you need additionally to complete this. Okay, so then it has the cutting guide, and then it tells you how to put it all together. Okay, so that's the instructions. And we've also got some wooden buttons this time. So I've got lots of different little wooden buttons. Some have got a little stitched line around them. You've got heart ones. Okay, we've also got our photo place holders here. So if you haven't got your photos ready yet, you can use these. So I've got the 6x4s, 3x4s and 3x3s in there. Okay, now let's get into the fun part. Okay, so let's just turn that around so you can see it. This here is the sticker sheet. The sticker sheet. Okay, now we get into the papers. So all our papers are double-sided, but you get 2 sheets of each. So we've got this one, and then this is the other side of it. So that's those 2. Alright, and this is the cardstock. And then this is the cutouts, the punch outs, if you would like to call them. Basically, everything comes apart. You can just punch it out. So they're already they're die cut, so they're already cut for you. So you just it's all labelled for you. And we've got a couple of extra paper here. One there that kind of is like patchwork, I guess. So I'm cutting that up to make some stuff. Okay, so that was the Stitch Together scrapbooking workshop kit. If you're interested in purchasing this, it is available until the 30th of June 2020 or until stocks last. You can purchase it on my website. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in the scrapbook kit. I look forward to putting it all together, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!